Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make filet mignon salad, and also I'm gonna add some shrimps. So I have the meat right here, fresh, also fresh shrimps right there. I have a feta cheese, some vegetables. I like to use jalapenos for a little bit of spice, cucumbers, salad and radish, and I also have green onions right here. Onion powder for the garlic powder for the shrimp, and salt and pepper, and I also got new grinders. But yeah, all right, let me season this and I'll show you. Okay, so let's start off with some salt. Put this around really quick. You don't need too much salt, but you can add extra salt after it's done. Let me do some pepper right there. Okay, put this around again. Okay, let me take this aside so you can season the shrimps. Okay. Nice and easy. Okay. Yeah, you need to season the meat and the shrimps like before you do the salad, so the muscle, the meat can relax. Get salt right here. Just go over it a little bit. Okay, you can do just one side on shrimp, it's fine. Pepper. Yeah, this salad is very healthy and delicious. And I also have a garlic powder, just a little bit. Okay, this is ready as well. I'm gonna put this aside right there. Let me get my cutting board and tools. That's the bowl, so I'm gonna put the salads in. So let me start off with cutting this. Okay, that should be plenty for now. Yeah. Try to add this in the bowls. Okay. Okay. Gonna get the jalapenos. Can use regular peppers as well. Just spicy. Okay, let me put this on. Okay, let me get the other half. Just do simple. Okay, right there. I have 2 cucumbers right here. I'm gonna try to cut it in half. Okay, right there. Okay, I'm gonna get the other half. Add this in here. You can use any vegetables you like. I like those, like classic garden salad. Yeah, try to get the other half right there. This knife is crazy sharp. I'm not master in cutting, so that should work. Okay, get this in there as well. Okay, guess it's time to get the salad. Okay, let me get this apart like this. I'm gonna chop this off first. This is trash. I'm gonna do it like this. Alright, let me finish cutting this. I'll put everything in the bowls and I'll be right back. Alright, so everything is ready down here. Just put all the vegetables. I left this just for the end, the feta cheese and the lemon juice for the shrimps. That's how the meat looks overall and the shrimps. It's time to to go outside and start the fire. I'll see you outside. Alright, so I'm here by the fire. Got some briquettes, charcoal briquettes, regular ones from Kingsport. Got my fire starter right here. Flash another lighter. Let me light this up really quick. There we go. And yeah, I'm gonna put this on top. Okay, should be ready in 10-15 minutes. So I'll be right back when the grates are on and cleaned and all that. So I'll see you there. Hello, I'm back. Looks like the fire is ready. So today's video I'm gonna use again the Kelo, the Jumbo Joe. It's a 18-inch. Yeah, let me put this in the inside. Okay, let me put this down for a sec. Yeah, I'm gonna use just half of the grill, so I can have a safe zone on this other side. It's hot. Okay. I'm gonna let the charcoal chill in here for another 5 minutes, and I'll be back. Alright, so I cleaned the grates and I put the oil on the grates. For the steak I'm gonna use the grill grates so I can get perfect sear marks. Yeah, let's get it going, I guess. Let me try to put this light away for a second. Right there. Yep. Now, I guess I'm gonna use my hand. Right there. Right there. Okay, put the lid back on, and I'm gonna turn them on 45 degrees in a minute and a half. So, yeah, be right back. Alright, so it's been a minute and a half. Okay, let me take the lid off real quick. Okay. Wish I had better lighting in here, but yeah. Let me flip this 45, I guess. Like this. So let's do like this. Okay. Stop this. Reset and start again. Another minute 25, and then I'm gonna flip them around. So far, so good, I guess. Okay, another minute and a half has elapsed. Let me flip this around. Let's take a look. Yeah, look at this. Looks amazing. You know, this and smells amazing. So let's take the other one. Look at this, guys. Perfect sear marks right there. Okay. Yep. I'll be back again in a minute and a half. I'm gonna flip this around 45 degrees again. Okay, it's time to flip this around again. 45 degrees. So like this, like so, I guess. Okay. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna do this minute and a half, and then I'm gonna put them on the safe zone right here for indirect, and I'm gonna probe them and see how is the temperature on the inside. But yeah, it looks good so far. Alright, Total time has been 6 minutes on the rake side. I guess 3 minutes on the garnish side. So let's take a look. Yep, look at this, guys. Perfect sear marks. Okay, I'm gonna put this in like on the side right there. Let me check this other one too. Yep, right there. I'm gonna put this in here, and let me taste it really quick and see how it is. It's 105, so 106. It's gonna go up to 110. Okay, I'm gonna let this chill in here till it's gonna be 135, 140. So yeah, I'll see you back in some. I'll see you back in a few. Okay, so right now it's 135. Let me take this prop off right there, and yeah, show you overall. That's how they look on so far. It's time to take this off, and I'll show you how I cook the shrimps. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Alright, so I put the meat back inside. This is time for the shrimps. I'm using this grill grates, as you can see. This thing will get hot, like crazy hot. Like right now it's like 700. If I use lamp charcoal, it's gonna go to like 900, 800, 1000, depends. But yeah. So this grill grates, if you flip it around, it's like a flat griddle, like this. I'm gonna remove this hot one in here, and let me see if I can do it like this. There we go. And my other grill in here is good for table. I'm gonna try to. So I'm gonna use my hands. This is not hot, so I'm gonna put this like here. This grill grates is perfect for. I bought them for the 18-inch Jumbo Joe, so. Just choose sections, and then I have the third section. It goes right there. But yeah, I'm gonna wait to get till the griddle is gonna get hot. I'm gonna scrape it down and put some oil, and it's gonna be ready for the shrimps. I don't want this to get too hot, so no shrimps cook very fast. Okay, let me close these down a bit. Let me close this lid down a bit as well. Let me see. It's hard with my hand. It's got stuck. There we go. Yep. Put this temp gauge in here. It's very useful sometimes. Let's see if you can focus. There we go. Yep. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes till the new grates are gonna get hot. And let me show you the shrimp really quick right here. Of the shrimp. Yeah, this you just need like 2 minutes on each side, so till they turn like yellowish color. Okay, so I clean it and oil it down. I usually have like a actual Blackstone. I use it for breakfast and stuff, but I don't want to fire that one up. It's not worth it. I just need tiny bit of heat for this these shrimps right here. I guess I'll put the shrimps off. I'll put the shrimps on, and I'll be right back. I'll show you when it's on the griddle right there. I guess I'm just using my hands. I want to do this on camera so you can hear the sizzling. Okay. Nice and easy. Who doesn't love hot shrimps? I guess fresh hot shrimps. Okay, let me arrange this a little bit, I guess, like this. How they won't stick. Hopefully not. That's really good. Smells like shrimps. Yep. Okay, guys, I'm gonna keep turning this until it's red, and I'll take them off, and I'll see you back inside with the salad and everything. Alright, stay safe, peace. I just turned this. Let me show you like an overall how they look like. They're almost ready. They need a few minutes, 2-3 minutes, that's it. They cook very, very fast. So yeah, so far this is one of my favorite grills right here. The Weber Jumbo Joe, 18 inches. With this grill grate in here, you can make amazing meals. You know, charcoal's hot. It's good. Alright, let me check. They don't stick, so it's good. They don't stick at all like this. Yep. Okay. Alright guys, I'll see you back on inside. Let me show you overall again. My hand. I have my light in my hand right there. Yeah. Okay. Alright, back inside, everything is ready. The meat rested in here for 10 minutes, so it's good. Look at that guys, sear marks, perfect. Also shrimps right there. Shrimp and salad. Let me hand over the camera. Okay. So I'm gonna try to mix this a little bit. Just mix it up like this, so you get all the vegetables. Okay. Okay. Don't wanna make a mess in the kitchen. Okay. Need to put some salt and pepper before mixing it actually. Pepper, salt. Okay. Okay. Just like this. May make it nicer. I guess. There we go. Alright. So gonna add the shrimps. Just a little bit on both. Right there. I have lemon juice right here. If you just like this on the shrimps and the salad, of course, right there. Got some feta cheese. I'm gonna put it on top. The crumbles like this. On this side as well. Okay, mix this. I just made the mess. My wife is gonna kill me. Alright, so let me. Okay, time to cut this. Move this aside. Let's take a look. Oh, it's so good. It rips by itself. Look at that. Oh, no, drop this down. Let me move this away. Right there. Look at this guy. Medium. Yes, medium rare, right? Perfect. Okay. Next one. Look at this. Yeah, look at this, guys. Okay, so let me cut this halves so I can add it to the salad right there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just put it in top right there, perfect, just like this. This other one. Okay, put this aside. Yep, that's how you make grilled fillet and shrimp salad, I guess, right here. Alright, it's time to eat now. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more, I guess. And if you have any suggestions, what should I cook next or grill next, just type it down in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.